The renewed Nissan Altima enters 2019 ready to challenge the midsize sedan segment and now offers something its Toyota and Honda rivals don't at any price: all-wheel drive. The Altima's base engine is a 188 horsepower 2.5-liter naturally aspirated i4 and not a small turbocharged power plant. As a commuter car with EPA estimated 28 miles per gallon city and 39 miles per gallon highway, for most front-drive trims, the 2019 Altima is a budget-friendly option with a long highway driving range. The 8-inch touchscreen stands tall at the top of the center stack, with volume and tuning knobs as well as two large and helpful knobs below to adjust temperature. The rear seat is spacious, and the Altima's new exterior design translates to great sightlines on both sides and acceptable rear visibility over the trunk lid. The 2019 Altima offers 15.4 cubic feet of cargo space. The 2019 Altima receives a top safety pick rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Automatic emergency braking is standard on every Altima. The impressive suite of tech bundles that includes blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, rear automatic braking, and Pro Pilot Assist, which combines adaptive cruise control with a feature that keeps the car centered in its lane. When that's not active, lane departure warning is on duty. One not to be overlooked duo of standard safety features is the 4-tire tire pressure PSI readout and Nissan's Easy Tire Fill Alert.